Houston home prices and mortgage rates have shifted again. If you're thinking about buying and in the next 60 days, this could be your biggest advantage. Let me show you what's really going on. And by the way, I help people just like you every week who want to make the right move here in the Houston metro area, and I love to help you too. The best way to reach me is by calling or texting 346-589-8925 or emailing Kareem at sergeantsalestxhomes.com. You can also click the link in the description to get in touch. I'm Kareem Lewis, your trusted Houston realtor, the one that keeps it real with you, aka Sergeant Sales. And I've been helping buyers navigate real prices, real neighborhoods, and real opportunities. Today, we're breaking down the latest Houston market numbers, prices, rates, inventory, and the best areas for buyers going into 2026. As of October 2025, the median sales price for homes here in the Houston area stood around $340,000, according to recent data. That's down about 1.4% compared to last year. That means Houston is slowly becoming more affordable for many buyers, especially as incomes and new home supply have adjusted. For reference, some suburbs are showing home values that give even better value. Example, in 2025, the median listing price in Katy is roughly 420K, with new construction communities still moving. Meanwhile, in Cypress, Texas, the typical home value is about $402,000 with only a small dip year over year. So what does this mean for you? If you're flexible on the area, you might get more home for your money outside the core city. Mortgage rates nationwide and locally remain elevated compared to pre-pandemic years. Many experts expect 30-year fixed rates to stay in the mid to high 6% range through much of 2025 going into 2026. That said, when you combine a slight dip in home prices with steady rates, some buyers find monthly payments more manageable than they expect compared to past years. What matters most? Locking in a rate in a home you can afford right now, because you always have options to refinance later if the rates improve. Inventory has increased across the Houston metro. For example, in recent months, single family home supply rose significantly compared to last year. Many markets are seeing longer days on the market compared to last year, which means less bidding pressure. More time to negotiate, more opportunity for buyers to leverage their position. That shift gives serious buying power back to the buyers. You don't have to panic buy. You can afford to be selective. And if you want to buy this year and maximize your budget, these are the four areas in the greater Houston area that stand out right now. Number one, Katy, Texas, strong for families, great schools, master plan communities, and a healthy mix of resale and new construction. Katy remains one of the top value for money suburbs. Number two, Cypress, Texas, slightly more budget friendly than Katy overall, while still offering good access to amenities, master plan communities. The value here is especially strong if you want a suburban feel without overspending. Number three, Richmond and Rosenberg areas, suburbs on the southwest outskirts. These outer ring suburbs often give larger homes for the dollar, making them excellent for buyers who want space and value. Number four, Spring, North Houston, Northwest Houston corridor. Good option for buyers who want to stay closer to the city but still want reasonable home prices and flexibility. Bottom line, if you're flexible on area and value, you can often get more home for less money, especially compared to Central Houston prices. So, if you're ready to buy, doing it now could mean lower competition, more negotiation power, and better selection. If you have a budget around 3,000 to 400,000, new construction suburbs or buyer-friendly areas like Cypress or Katy may give you the most value. But if you can stretch a bit more, you might lock in a long-term investment in growing areas that could appreciate strongly over the next 5 to 10 years. For many buyers, this is a sweet spot in the Houston housing cycle, a mix of affordability, reasonable rates, and inventory. So if you're thinking about buying in the next 6 to 12 months, or even just want a sanity check on your budget and options, now is the time to start planning. The window for great deals might not last forever. If you want a custom breakdown for your price range or the area you're thinking about, reach out. I help people just like you every week here in the Houston metro area. The best way to reach me is by calling or texting 346-589-8925 or emailing me at Kareem at sergeantsalestexashomes.com. You can also click the link in the description to get in touch. I love to help you make the right move in 2026. Again, this is Kareem Lewis, your trusted Houston realtor, signing out to the next time. God bless you. Have a good day.